The full-size Nissan Titan goes out with a whimper after the 2024 model year. Nissan's pickup has struggled to keep up with popular rivals from the big three over the years, and the automaker has announced that it will no longer build the truck in order to free up manufacturing capacity for EVs at the Canton plant in Mississippi. For one final year, the Titan competes with the Ford F-150, Chevrolet Silverado 1500, Ram 1500, and Toyota Tundra. What's new? The 2024 Nissan Titan mostly carries over from the previous model year, but the automaker is making a few changes, including the elimination of the base S trim level. Nissan also introduces the SV Bronze Edition package. Enhancements are minimal and largely cosmetic, with differentiating accents such as bronze 20-inch wheels, a black exterior grille and bumper, a sport bar, and bronze edition floor mats. Nissan asks a premium of $2,980 for the bronze edition on top of the SV model's price. What we think? After a 20-year run, we bid the Nissan Titan farewell. The full-size pickup truck hangs on for a 2024, overshadowed by rivals in an ultra-competitive segment. Nissan could never quite get the formula right. The Titan lacked capability, refinement, and value right up until the end. There are some aspects of the Titan that we'll miss. The strong V8 engine that comes standard across the entire range is paired with a clever 9-speed automatic transmission. Cabin noise is kept to a minimum, and Nissan plies its pickup with plenty of active safety features. The Titan's shortcomings obscure its positive attributes, however. Payload and towing capacities lag rivals, and the Titan isn't very composed when it's unladen either. Nissan's truck is further let down by a cheap-feeling interior. Poor fuel economy delivers the final blow. Generally, consumers benefit from having choice within any vehicle segment, but unfortunately the Titan didn't have the chops to keep up with the competition. We'll miss the Nissan truck for its simplicity and straightforward character, but ultimately the automaker is probably making the right call by severing its weak link. Performance and MPGs. Nissan outfits the 2024 Titan with just one powertrain. A 5.6-litre V8 engine developing for 100 horsepower and 413 pounds-ft of torque teams up with a 9-speed automatic transmission, sending output to a standard rear-wheel drive system or available four-wheel drive. In our testing, a Nissan Titan Pro 4X Crew Cab accelerated from 0 to 60 miles per hour in 7.3 seconds. For 2023, the EPA rates are WD versions with the best fuel economy at 1621st MPG city, highway. 4 WD models sit in the middle of the range at 1521st MPG. The off-road ready Pro 4X trim, which exclusively comes with 4 WD, is rated at 1520th MPG. Hauling and towing. The 2024 Titan's payload maxes out at 1,697 pounds for the SV trim with the King Cab body and 4 WD for ultimate towing. Stick to either the SV or Platinum Reserve Crew Cab models with rear-wheel drive. These variants can trailer a maximum of 9,317 pounds. Although we've been disappointed with the Titan's capabilities at the upper limits, more typical use cases, like towing a horse trailer, are well within its comfort zone. Safety ratings and features. The NHTSA rated the 2023 Nissan Titan 4 stars overall, where most vehicles tested typically receive 5 stars. Although the pickup garnered a 5-star side crash rating, its frontal crash and rollover scores only came out to 4 stars. Crash scores may not be great, but the Titan does boast a strong suite of driver assistance technology. Standard equipment includes emergency braking, blind spot monitoring, lane departure warning, automatic high beams, and driver attention monitoring. With the elimination of the S-base trim for a 2024, adaptive cruise control and parking sensors come equipped across the entire range as well. Stepping up to the Titan's highest trims adds hill descent control and a 360-degree camera. Cab configurations, bed options, and interior room. Nissan offers the Titan with a 5.5-foot or 6.5-foot bed. Cab options include a crew cab or an extended cab, which the automaker refers to as a king cab. Although we found the cabin to provide adequate space in our testing, rivals such as the Ford F-150 and Chevrolet Silverado 1500 provide more legroom. Legroom first to second rows. 2024 Nissan Titan, 41.8, 24.8 inches king cab, 41.8, 38.5 inches crew cab. 2024 Ford F-150, 43.9, 33.5 inches super cab, 43.9, 43.6 inches crew cab. 2024 Chevrolet Silverado 1500, 44.5, 35.2 inches double cab, 44.5, 43.4 crew cab. Technology. The 2024 Nissan Titan comes standard with a 7.0-inch digital instrument display and an 8.0-inch infotainment touchscreen. Apple CarPlay is equipped across the entire range, but Android Auto is only offered with the 9.0-inch display that comes equipped on Pro4X and Platinum Reserve trims. These higher trims also receive wireless Apple CarPlay capability. One USB-A port and one USB-C port are standard on all trims, while rear USB-A ports are available for SV models and standard on the Pro4X and Platinum Reserve models. 6-speaker audio is standard for SV and Pro4X variants, but the Titan Platinum Reserve comes equipped with a premium 12-speaker setup. Recommended trim. Nissan offers the 2024 Titan at 3 trim levels: SV, Pro4X, and Platinum Reserve. Although we'd look to another automaker's lineup if we were in the market for a pickup truck, shoppers dead set on the Titan should stick with the SV Crew Cab with 4WD. Pricing starts just under $51,000, and equipment fulfills the basics of what truck buyers need. Keep in mind the engine and transmission combination remain the same across the entire lineup. Pros and cons. Pros: strong V8 engine, slick 9-speed auto, strong driver assistance suite. Cons: low towing and payload capacities, poor driving dynamics, low quality interior. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe and like.